वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू ऑन दिस चैनल वंस अगेन। फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में कुछ खास टॉपिक पे बात करने जा रहा हूँ। बहुत से कैंडिडेट्स, बहुत से डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट्स के मन में एक डाउट है कि जो एनडीए 221 का जो रिटन एग्ज़ाम होने वाला है उसका एज लिमिट क्या होगा, कि हमारा डेट ऑफ बर्थ कब होगा तो हम इसे अप्लाई कर सकेंगे, क्या हम एलिजिबल हैं, एम आई एलिजिबल फॉर दिस एग्ज़ाम। दिस इज डाउट every defense aspirants is having. So today in this video I am going to clarify all your doubts regarding this NDA 2021 eligibility criteria. So stay tuned in this channel till the end. So guys, I am here to remind you one more thing about this channel. In this channel we make videos related to the JEE, NDA, Air Force, Navy, and mainly we focus on NDA written examination, regarding its notification, regarding its result date, and when will the result come. All the updates you will get in this channel. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and all these things are going to be official, because everything I have taken from the UPSC official website. So you should not have any doubt regarding this, because everything in this are genuine and real. So moving over to the age criteria, first and foremost thing you should keep in mind that when 2020 notification was released, National Defense Academy 2 2020, at that point of time this was the age limit for the 2020 students. I'll put it in a rectangular box so that all can have a clear cut vision. For the 2022 NDA 2022, this was the age limit. Age limit was how much? Only unmarried male candidates born not earlier than 2 January 2002 and not later than 1 Jan 2005. So this was the age limit for NDA 2 2020. But in this video we will discuss about NDA 2 2021. So not earlier than 2 Jan 2002 and not later than 1 January 2005. This was the age limit for NDA 2 2020. Now we will analyze the previous year age limit criteria. So this is again taken from UPSC. It is again genuine. You can have a belief on this NDA 2 to 2019 age limit. Now here we will discuss about 2019 age limit. See, I'll again put it in a rectangular box so that you can have a clear cut idea, and you can have a clear cut mindset that whether you can apply, are you eligible for this or not. So for NDA 2 2019, it was 2 Jan 2021, not earlier than 2 Jan 2021 and not later than 1st Jan 2004. So till now we have analyzed that for NDA 2 2020, it was not earlier than 2 Jan 2002 and not later than 1 Jan 2005. But for NDA 2 2019, it is how much? 2 Jan 2001, not earlier than 2 Jan 2001 and not later than 1 Jan 2004. That means this date 2 Jan and 1 Jan is remaining the same, but as years are going far, that is from 2019 to 2020, this year is also increasing. So see, here it is 2021 and I'll show you for the 2020 notification. In that case it will be 2 Jan 2002. See, this day is remaining the same, 2 Jan, and here also it is remaining the same, but year is changing. See, so now we will analyze for the year 2018. See, this is again taken from UPSC official website, so you can have a complete genuine, complete, clear cut information about this age criteria. Now for the NDA to 2018, the age criteria was only unmarried male candidate born not earlier than 2 Jan 2000 and not later than 1 Jan 2003. So here again the day is remaining the same, but only the year is changing. For 2018 we have not earlier than 2000. For 2019 2 we have not earlier than 2 Jan 2001, and for 2022 we have not earlier than 2002. Then what will be for NDA 2 2021? Till now I think everyone would have analyzed and come to a common conclusion about NDA 2 2021. So just now notification about NDA 2 2021 has come. See, it is again taken from the official website of UPSC. Just now notification has come about NDA 2 2021. So if you want to know your एज क्राइटेरिया, क्या आप एलिजिबल हैं इस एग्जाम के लिए, तो देखिए इसके लिए एज क्राइटेरिया क्लियर कट यूपीएससी दिया है कि ओनली अनमैरिड कैंडिडेट नॉट बॉर्न अर्लियर दैन 2 Jan 2003 एंड नॉट लेटर दैन 1 Jan 2006. Again only years have changed but the day is remaining same. So once again I am making it very very clear that who are eligible to apply. NDA 2 2021 not earlier than 2 Jan 2003 and not later than 1 Jan 2005. All of you got this? I hope सभी लोग समझ गए होंगे दैट जिनका भी एज क्राइटेरिया, जिनका भी जन्म 2 जनवरी 2003 के बाद हुआ हो, वही लोग इसमें अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. जिनका 2 Jan 2003 के बाद वाले कैंडिडेट ही अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. लेकिन इसका एज लिमिट 2 Jan 2003 के बाद और 1 Jan 2005 के पहले वाले कैंडिडेट ही अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. तो जिनका भी डेट ऑफ बर्थ इसके अंतर आता है, ऑल ऑफ यू आर एलिजिबल. सो आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू हैव गॉट द क्लियर कट आइडिया अबाउट द एज लिमिट फॉर द NDA 2 2021. So please stay tuned in this channel for as now NDA 1 2021 result is yet to come and within 4 से 5 दिन में इसका रिजल्ट भी आने की संभावना हो चुका है. तो मैं आपको सबसे पहले जानकारी दूंगा इस चैनल पे. आप इस चैनल पे बने रहें. और मैं इस चैनल पर अगर आप NDA 2 2021 की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो मैं इस चैनल पे प्रिपरेशन करा रहा हूँ NDA 2 2021 के लिए. आप इस चैनल से जुड़ सकते हैं, इसको सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, लाइक कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं, ताकि वे भी सारे शॉर्टकट जो अभी तक मैं डाल चुका हूं, परम्यूटेशन एंड कॉम्बिनेशन, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, कैलकुलस, बाइनोमियल थ्योरम, प्रोबेबिलिटी, स्टैटिस्टिक्स सभी का फ़ायदा उठा सकेंगे. सो आई होप सभी लोग समझे होंगे. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स फॉर ट्यूनिंग टिल द एंड. जय हिंद.